Hi, I'm James from the Science on the Road department at Carnegie Science Center. Welcome to the Something to Watch series, where we offer fun and educational science videos for kids, parents, and teachers. Like the rest of the Science Center team, I'm currently at home practicing social distancing. I know that a lot of people have been working on different projects and hobbies while they've been at home. Many of my friends are building things out of wood and metal, but while I've been at home, I've been working with plastics. This is a 3D printer, and it can take a 3D file off of a computer and turn it into a real object. When you design something on the computer, you might use a CAD program. CAD stands for Computer Aided Design, and there are many powerful CAD programs out there that people use to design things like cars, airplanes, and heavy machinery. There are also a lot of really simple CAD programs as well. Do you like playing Minecraft? Minecraft can be used as a CAD program. You can build something right in Minecraft, export it as a 3D file, and print it out on a 3D printer. So you can use Minecraft as a real CAD program. But how does a 3D printer actually work? It all starts with this little box. This filament going in the top is plastic. The plastic is fed into the box where it's melted down into a liquid. Right at the very bottom of the box is a nozzle which squirts the plastic out. You could think of this part of a 3D printer like a hot glue gun. The glue in a hot glue gun is actually a type of plastic. When I squeeze the trigger, it forces the plastic through the nozzle. And just like a 3D printer, I can move that nozzle back and forth and build something a little bit larger. But 3D printers are a kind of robot, and they can be used to do things a little bit more precisely than what I can do. And the plastic they use cools off much faster than the plastic in a hot glue gun. If we take a closer look, you can see the quick but accurate movements of the printer. The printer has to follow a long list of commands one after the other. Even for a simple print, these lists of commands can be over 500 pages long. 3D printing is changing the way that scientists do their job. Engineers can make prototypes for something they've designed right at their desk. Biologists can model cells, proteins, and DNA. Astronomers can print complex interstellar objects and look at them from different angles. The applications are limitless. And at home, I can print out a new stove knob. Mine broke last week. All I have to do is pop the support material off that kept it from falling over, and here we go. That's all the time I have today, but next time you come to the Carnegie Science Center, check out our Fab Lab, which allows you to be the engineer with our CAD programs, 3D printers, and laser cutters. Until then, log on to carnegiesciencecenter.org for more things to watch, things to read, and things to do at home.